Are you looking for ways to make money through MPESA in Kenya? Hello, I'm Kevin, and in this video I'm going to show you 4 unique ways you can make money online in Kenya and get paid through MPESA. In fact, these are the ways that most people are using right now and it's working for them. So why not give it a try? Let's jump into my whiteboard and I'll show you how to get started. The first one is flipping website. So what is website flipping? This is investing in websites that are already making money, improving them either by increasing the amount of traffic that visits the website or making more money from the same amount of website visitors, or even both, and then selling the website for a profit. There are 2 ways you can get started with this type of online business in Kenya. The first one is finding websites that are underrated, or these websites that receive less traffic, and then you improve it, you get more traffic to that website, or you make it make more money and then you sell it for a profit. The other way is starting one from scratch. Here you need to register a domain, create a website, and then start publishing articles. Then make that website rank on Google, drive traffic, and monetize that website. Once it start making some money, you can find a buyer. The second idea is selling crypto on Binance. To get started with this, you need to understand P2P exchange. Peer-to-peer exchange is a marketplace where people can trade crypto directly with each other on their own terms in virtually any country, and that includes Kenya. Now, this is how this works. You need to find a coin, then buy that coin when its price drops, and then sell it when its prices rises. Then, once you get the profit, you take the profit to P2P exchange and then sell it to a Kenyan who will then transfer the money to your MPESA. The third idea is joining Jumia call program. As a key opinion leader that's called, you can advertise for Jumia by sharing unique tracking links that you place either on your website or sharing it on social media. Now, when you successfully get a customer to make a purchase, Jumia rewards you with a commission of up to 9% based on the final delivered orders. Now, to get started, just head over to call.jumia.com and sign up. Then go back to Jumia and find a product that you'd wish to promote. Copy the URL to the product and go back to the dashboard and generate a unique trackable link. Now, whenever someone buys a product on Jumia through your link, you make a commission and you get paid through MPESA. The other way is freelance writing. Freelance writing is a form of work where you are hired to write content for others. While there are many different forms of written works, the most common forms are essays and articles, which can be found on websites such as tuko.co.ke, among others. There isn't actually a set rate for freelance writing in Kenya, and there is a lot of competition. But if you are willing to put in the work and build up your portfolio, it is an easy way to make money online in Kenya through MPESA. The first step when getting into freelancing in Kenya is creating a website or a blog that showcases your previous works. For example, if you were a freelance writer who specialized in fitness, then your website or blog should be about that topic and contains articles you have written for other sites. Now, if writing is not your strong suit, there are other ways you can make money online in Kenya through freelancing. These include graphic design, website development, and some others. So there are very many different types of jobs that you can get from working as a freelancer in Kenya. For example, if your portfolio is full of graphic design work, then companies might ask you for illustrations or you to do logos for them rather than writing articles. While it's not easy getting started, and while the competition may seem high, once you start building up a list of clients who like your style and quality of work and build upon that over time with new skills and knowledge, there is actually no limit to how much money you can make through freelance writing in Kenya. And the better part is you can make this money and get paid through MPESA. All you have to do is just find a local client looking for a writer, apply, get hired, deliver that work. Then you can make between 10 to 30k or even higher per month depending on your rates and hard work. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. For any questions, please leave a comment and I'll reply immediately.